Well, from Lucknow, we have an empty chair on the News Hour tonight because Samajwadi Party leader Mr. Bukkal Nawab, he said just before the debate was to begin, in fact, while the news report was being broadcast, he said he's not feeling well and he's therefore not on the debate. That's the empty chair. We are still hoping. We are still hoping that Mr. Bukkal Nawab will join us back in Lucknow, and we are in fact trying to get in touch with Gaurav Bhatia and other Samajwadi Party representatives to join us on this debate. Otherwise, we'll have to be forced to show that empty chair. That empty chair is for the Samajwadi Party, and any Samajwadi Party leader can join us there to sit on that empty chair. Otherwise, that empty chair will be a metaphor of political parties running away from answering serious questions in this debate. Lalita Kumaramangalam joins us on the debate. The BJP has the singular honor of having BJP leaders also who are part of that holiday to Australia, New Zealand and Fiji, which is the Gold Coast Winter Amazing Australia Express, fully paid with boat cruises and cabaret rides, paid by taxpayer money. Last time when she was on this subject, she says change the rules. Sohail Seth is having a good laugh. I don't know at whose expense tonight. I think the politicians are laughing at our expense, Sohail. Your own. Yeah, we are all. Yes.
We are all on our own.
Well, you're at least laughing at your own expense. In some time from now, politicians will even want their laughter to be paid by taxpayer money. Yes, Bejon Mishra joins us on the debate, also with us on the debate is the spokesperson of the JDS nationally. His name is Danish Ali. Danish, thank you for joining us. Now, how many of your leaders are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 JDS leaders who are part of this Gold Coast Express. So my first question goes to you. Gold Coast Express, day 1 of 16 days. Enjoy the Sydney Show boat cruise. And I'll show the pictures as I speak. Revel in the carnival atmosphere of Sydney Showboat's unique live entertainment extravaganza. Enjoy a vibrant and a fast-paced cabaret show. And then go on to enjoy the glamour and splendor of sidewalk cafes of 19th century. And then followed by an elaborate dinner on board before you go to your 5-star hotel in Sydney. You feel ashamed when I read all this to you, or are you immune to it?
Arnab, our leader of the opposition in the assembly, Mr. H.D. Kumaraswamy, has said it very categorically that the government of Karnataka, headed by a Congress chief minister, and the speaker of the assembly must cancel this tour.
Until then you will enjoy.
No,
till then you will enjoy.
Just come.
Yeah.
See, Karnataka is suffering from drought.
No, why? If that is the case, then your leader says it's terrible, but 3 of your MLAs or 4 of your MLAs are still enjoying in Australia. I can give you their names: C.B. Suresh Babu, A.B. Ramesh Bandi Sidde Gowda, and Dattatreya C. Patil Revura. They are all enjoying themselves in this foreign holiday. Why?
The party leadership has decided, has categorically said on record, asked the chief minister and the speaker to cancel this tour. We, as a political party, we are of the view that these steady tours should be there.
What is there to study?
Not these type of tours.
But these types of tours are happening,
We
right?
are against these type of holidaying. We are for the steady tour. If they are going for any learning.
No, what's the learning there?
No, if they...
So sack them, no?
No, if they...
When do you think they should just be sacked? I mean, I think you should... Bejon Mishra sack them?
Yeah, no, I mean, at least...
What happens?
No, you have to tell them that you pay on your own and you go with your own expenditure. Why should you use taxpayers' money to go and have a nice holiday like this?
Yeah.
I mean, my question is, if the party head is saying something and the MPs or the MLAs are not listening to that, that means there is complete indiscipline. They have to understand. You see, Arnab,
no, we have not.
What I want to tell you is, they should stop first wearing khadi. You know, I get detested when I see these politicians wearing khadi and undermining our, father of the nation's mission. See, what I get worried about is they talk pro-poor.
Yeah.
They come on the camera and they start talking as if they are for the poor. And here, people are dying. People don't have 2 meals a day and they go holidaying. What kind of a conscience they have got? I don't understand this conscience.
I'll tell you how they are. They're not just that, they are also cheats.
Absolutely.
I'll tell you why they are cheats. Because they even, I have proof here that some Karnataka MLAs have been copying and pasting text, Sohail said, from the internet in their so-called reports on study tours. There are 2 MLAs who are part of a committee. They copy and pasted reports from the internet. Their 10-page report is full of paragraphs copied from websites around the world. This is why we send them, so that they go, travel, enjoy cabarets, and when they come back, they cut and paste from the internet.
Criminal.
I mean, I think they are not just... It's not
criminal.
They're criminal cheats. And yet Mr. Danish Ali does not have the sobriety to say he will sack these people.
Exactly.
Because Mr. Danish Ali does not care.
No.
Sohail said. Here Sohail said now. And we are going to open up to phone lines. Yes, Sohail.
The tragedy of India is that many of our elected representatives are in reality louts who live off not the land, they live off voter aspiration and they live off voter concern. I'm amazed that Mr. Danish Ali on national television on Times Now can say that Kumaraswamy objected, but it's the Chief Minister's fault. I mean, for God's sake, who are you fooling? We're not a bunch of morons in this country anymore. The doublespeak that you indulge in, the reprehensible manner in which you behave, the brazenness with which you act, and the arrogance with which you mock our intelligence needs to change, Mr. Danish Ali. Kumaraswamy is as responsible as the Chief Minister of Karnataka.
You people are sitting in the studio, only your aim is to discredit the political leadership of this country.
This is not the Karnataka Assembly.
You have only one agenda, you discredit the political class of this country. You have no other agenda.
What credit do you have?
You say the politicians, the elected representatives, the thieves, the criminals, the cheats, please, forgive me. It is an international agenda which you are pursuing. You are trying to discredit
I am discrediting you.
If
you don't have the intelligence of differentiating.
One second. I think Danish Ali, if you think that throwing these cheats, and I repeat it, throwing these cheats, these louts, these freeloaders,
absolute louts,
these shameless MLAs, who should be not just thrown out of the assembly but from public life, because they go to Sydney for the Madame Tussauds experience. They are experiencing Amitabh Bachchan, Hrithik Roshan and Shah Rukh Khan, in addition to Captain Cook, Donald Bradman, Albert Einstein, Hugh Jackman, Johnny Depp and Lady Gaga, before going to a 5-star hotel in Sydney. If you tell me that it is my fault or Sohail Seth's fault that we are calling these people cheats, let me say this to you, Mr. Danish Ali, I will call them cheats once, twice and many times over.
No, Arnab,
please, and don't take Bejan Mishra.
Danish Ali,
it is absolutely wrong.
Mr. Danish Ali, I didn't interrupt you.
I think
let me
Sohail wants to respond to Danish.
Mr. Danish Ali, let me tell you one thing today. As a citizen of India, the political class, by and large, has created its own discrediting. You don't need us in television studios to discredit you. What discredits a human being? Lack of character, lack of strength, lack of courage, most importantly, when that person is in denial. Today, you are all for. You're in denial. What you're saying today is heartbreaking and heart-wrenching. Because what you're trying to tell me is that it is a political party that has created this nonsense of a tour rather than the realities that abound us on the ground. So, Mr. Danish Ali, I will only tell you one thing as a citizen of India. Let me, see, I didn't interrupt you. This is not the Karnataka Assembly. This is News Hour. I will only tell you one thing today. Please do not mock our intelligence. Please do not, Mr. Ali, please don't mock the intelligence of the citizen anymore. The Aam Aadmi Party has taught you a resounding lesson. Simplicity is not only demonstrable, it's also about belief.
This is exactly what I wanted to say. This is exactly what I wanted to say. This is exactly what I wanted to say, Sohail, today. The people are not foolish now. They have shown it in Delhi that they'll get thrown out.
I'm going to open up the callers.
And you will not even get a visa for Australia. There'll be no Gold Coast.
They will not be seen. People will not see them again. No. You see, they will bash them out. You will see what is going to happen.
Lalita Kumaramangalam, which excuse will you hide behind tonight?
I'm not going to hide behind
Which excuse will you hide behind tonight?
I know you're anticipating
Yeah.
that I'm going to also give some platitudinal answers, but I'm not. The truth is that I still stand by what I said last time when I was on your show, that these sort of junkets should be cancelled, regardless of which party's
good.
MLAs participate or which state is holding them. They must be cancelled. Unfortunately, we are finding excuses to justify why some members of our party are going on these tours. But personally, it doesn't just make me feel ashamed, it also embarrasses me when I have to try, and that's why I'm not even trying to justify why these tours are even being held.
I think this is
I have no
maturity.
intentions of saying it's the UPA's fault or the SP's fault or the JDU's fault or anybody else's fault for that matter. Unfortunately, one of the things that Sohail said I agree with.
Why
that
is
we are all jointly responsible for these sort of things.
Why is Dodanna Gowda, Hunuma Gowda of the BJP so powerful that Rajnath Singh can't sack him? I mean, if Rajnath Singh sacks him today, he'll get a
Unfortunately,
standing
Arnab, you're
ovation. What
forgetting
makes
that-
this man so powerful?
Arnab, unfortunately, you're forgetting that these people are not elected by Rajnath Singh. They are elected by the people of Karnataka. I hope that
And
those
what
who
is
vote for
shocking
people like
is
this
what is
turn
shocking
around
is you
and
can't
don't
blame
vote
the
for them
people
the
for
next time.
everything.
If this
The
is the sort
people
of
of
people who are
Karnataka,
there-
that's a ridiculous
who are
argument,
present
isn't
in
it,
the
Sohail?
whip.
The people of Karnataka did not tell.
this is not
The
taken.
people of Karnataka did not tell Dodanna
No, I
Gowda,
agree.
Hunuma Gowda
The
that
people
go and
of
watch a
Karnataka
cabaret in
didn't.
Sydney.
Which is
Do you
why
think
I
people
feel
elected
that
you
I
to go
hope
and watch a
next time
cabaret?
People like this are
Did
not
people
elected.
elect the
I'm
MLAs
sorry?
in Karnataka to go to the Gold Coast, to watch a cabaret, to go on a river cruise?
No, they have
to
not.
go and live in a
They have
five-star
not.
hotel
Come
when
on,
the state
Mr.
is
Said, you
afflicted
also
with
can
drought?
be a little reasonable.
Ma'am,
I'm
what
not
kind of
saying
logic
that what's
is that,
happening
ma'am?
is right. But please, just because you use, long-minded English words, it doesn't mean that everything you say is right. Listen to me, please. Without listening, it's all very well to jump in and judge me. Listen to what I'm saying, please. I'm not saying that the people of Karnataka elected them to go or to attend cabarets and on these binges or junkets or whatever fancy word you want to use. I'm saying that they have made a mistake. The next time, these people should be taught a lesson. People
It's
like
not
this
a
should not be
mistake.
elected.
Mistake?
It is.
What
Are you
kind of a
telling me that
mistake
it's
is
right
this?
what you're doing?
It's not a mistake. It's not a mistake. You know, I'll tell you what.
It's the absence of
What do you
intellect.
mean mistake?
Then what do you want me to call it? Some other very strong word? Go ahead, use it. It is wrong. It is a mistake. I'm just
Why
using
don't
a
you
simple
use it?
English
You
word,
use
not
it.
something very fancy.
You use it.
I just said it, that
You
it's a
use it.
mistake
What do you
and
mean
that it's
strong
wrong.
words?
What
do
are
you
the
mean
strong
strong
words
words?
you want me to
Lalita
use?
Kumaramangalam.
I'm not justifying
Lalita
it.
Kumaramangalam, it's not. I'm sorry,
Don't
Miss
use the-
Kumaramangalam,
don't
but I
use the
sense
strong
in
word,
your
use the right
in
word.
your exactly.
What word do you
use the
want me
right
to
word.
use? Something
Ma'am,
perhaps I'm
Lalita
not as good at
Kumaramangalam.
English
to
as
a
you
lady
are.
as a lady
Tell me what
deserves.
word you want me to use.
Ma'am, let
tell
me
her.
tell you,
What words to use?
these people are
Well,
nothing less, nothing
Unparliamentary
less
words,
than
go ahead,
cheap
use them and tell me
people
what
who
you want me to
deprive
use.
one
I don't
man,
like using
the people who
unparliamentary
betray
words
the
on
trust
national
of the
television,
people.
unfortunately.
This is the... No, we're not using unparliamentary. Betrayal of trust
yes.
is as
This
parliamentary
is exactly
as it
what
can
I'm
get.
saying, that
The
this is
tragedy
why
is
people
the
like
people who
these should
betray
not
that
be
trust
voted
are in
for. It is
parliament.
wrong
Language.
that they have gone on these junkets.
word.
Using public
Criminal
money,
is a
this sort of
parliamentary
thing
word.
No,
should not happen.
Well,
I'll say this
criminals are
today.
in parliament.
I will say this today. No, I'll say this today, and I challenge anyone here to say that I have used language on which they will take action against me. I will say
I
here
haven't said
today
I'm going to take
that this is
action.
the worst
I'm
form.
just saying that
This
I
is
don't
the
want to
worst
use
form of moral.
unparliamentary words
This
on
is the
national
worst
television, that's
form.
all.
This is the worst form. This is the worst form of moral and political and financial theft at the taxpayer's expense. And you know, go ahead, Lalita Kumaramangalam, you are a lawyer. Sue me for saying that.
No, I'm not a
Okay,
lawyer.
I'm
First
going to
of all,
open
you're
up
wrong
the phone
there,
lines
Arnab.
right now.
I'm not a
I'm
lawyer.
going to open up the phone lines right now. Well, good you're not. Then hire a lawyer and tell him to sue me if you disagree
Why?
with me.
I'm not here to
Dodanna
sue you.
Gowda,
I want to
Hunuma
try
Gowda,
and
who's
say
from the
that
BJP.
there are politicians who also agree with what is wrong is in this system and try to, try to say that
you're
we are there,
makes
we are
no
not all
difference
as
because you have-
dishonest as everybody else is.
Vijay from Bangalore. We're getting a lot of callers tonight.
They don't want to
And
listen
our
when
first
somebody's
caller
trying
is
to tell
from
the
Bangalore.
truth.
Vijay,
If
good
you are
evening.
honest,
And
why don't
who's
you
your
want to listen
question
to
to
us?
and what is it?
Yeah,
No, of course we're
Goswami.
listening to you. Go ahead. Vijay is a consultant from Bengaluru. Go ahead, Vijay.
Yeah, Arnab Goswami, good evening to you. I'm speaking from Bangalore. This is Brigadier Vijay Raghavan, a security consultant. I firstly would like to
Right,
thank
sir.
Arnab Goswami to keep it on the headlines, and I really feel ashamed that I belong to the state of Karnataka, where there are people who are going on this junket journeys abroad, and when I was trying to check the meaning of the word junket in the dictionary a few minutes back, since I am not so very literate as the lady who's representing BJP is talking about, nor am I a legal lawyer. It says a public official going on public money is going on a junket. Right, madam, my blood boils. My blood really boils when the representatives use our money to go on a fun trip. What is it they're planning to do?
Absolutely.
But sir, she's blaming you. Sir, she's blaming
I'm
the
really
people of
ashamed, and she says
Karnataka.
that,
Saying
and she
these
says we
people
have
have been
committed a
elected,
mistake.
therefore they
No,
immune
we have
from
not
change.
committed a mistake.
No, 1 second, Vijay,
It is a crime.
Brigadier Vijay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Miss Kumaramangalam, let Brigadier Vijay complete. No, 1 second. I think the time has come in this country, Miss Kumaramangalam, for all of us now to bow down to the people and hear them. And I think I support Brigadier Vijay, and I'm openly saying I'm on his side, not yours, and I'm intervening so that he can be heard. And it's and by the way, Sohail Singh says, Brigadier, that Lalita Kumaramangalam, other politicians are shooting off your shoulders. They are blaming you. I just want you to hear from Sohail on why he thinks so. Sohail, why do you think so?
Because, as Lalita ji very rightly said, and it is no aspersion on the stain remover, as Lalita ji very rightly said, that look, Rajnath Singh doesn't elect MLAs of Karnataka's BJP wing. She's right. Therefore, by logical assumption, she's saying that an elected representative has the right to morph into a hoodlum, a rogue, a cheat, a person devoid of any shame. And in a sense, Brigadier Vijay ji, she is blaming the electorate for poor call of judgment. So it is your lapse of judgment, but not their lapse of honor, decency or shame, which to my mind is not only self-deprecatory, it is shocking.
So why don't you say, Lalita Kumaramangalam, that you are so angry and upset and you're taking all the flack on behalf of your party and your party leaders can't even control their own leaders. Why don't you today say that you're so frustrated that you will leave your party? Say that you leave your party if they don't take action against these people.
I am not the sort of person
But you see the
go on any sort of junket like
or
this.
the position which you have taken.
And you will win on an Aam Aadmi ticket.
No, you take a strong position within your party.
Listen,
You
I
take
am
a
not
strong
the sort of
position
person
within your
who
party.
behaves in this sort of way at all. So don't you think that you all are jumping the gun a bit and judging me to be exactly the same as everybody
what
else?
you plan to do?
I understand
No,
your frustration
we want to hear what you plan to do.
Unfortunately, I'm not big enough to be able to say that you can sack these or you can't
Miss
sack these.
Kumaramangalam, you know how many calls are there on our news desk right now? Unbelievable. Every phone is buzzing in the Times Now studio right now. Next caller is from Mumbai.
Look, you don't allow me to finish.
And our next caller is... No, ma'am, please listen to people. Daulat from Mumbai has a question. Who's your question to? Daulat.
Okay, fine.
Arnab, sarcastically, first I won't say good evening because there's nothing good about the evening hearing all this nonsense. Now, I just want to know, we get income tax notices where they ask us to pay up the amounts which are not even due to the department. Shouldn't they put in that please pay this amount for the tours of these politicians? More important, can I ask a question to Mr. Danish, please?
Good question.
To Danish, yes. Daulat, go ahead. Your question is directly to the leader of the JDS. Hear him and answer him directly now. Yeah.
Yes, go ahead.
Always claim that you people have the trust of the people as you've been elected by them. Is it not possible for us to file a suit for the criminal breach of trust? Because when we trust you people and the breach of trust is, I think it falls under the criminal breach of trust. Somebody should take this up very strongly, I feel.
Good point.
Can I get a reply to
Absolutely.
that?
Well, Daulat, well said. Okay, go ahead, Daulat.
See, Mr. Daulat, these study tours are being conducted by
It's not a study tour.
Just a minute. Conducted by...
It's a fun tour.
See, we are against these fun tours.
Of course, we know.
And our leader of the opposition in the assembly has categorically told the chief minister, headed by a Congress party, a speaker of the Congress party, that these type of tours must be stopped.
No,
these tours must be stopped. But at the same time,
no, but you know,
there was a process when the legislative committee decided
rubbish.
the study tours, the
Rubbish.
concept of study
Rubbish.
tours, lot of delegations comes from various countries to visit India. Lot of delegation. But
you need to ask.
But there should be accountability to it.
No.
Every MLA
Okay,
should
1 second.
give
Sohail
a
Seth is
feedback.
responding to you, but on the
When
other
that-
side of the break,
when that-
Sohail,
when
because
that
I'm taking a 2-minute break.
When that really
a 2-minute
honest-
break, and then we are back on the other side.
when that
this
really
is pure
honest- when
and
that really-
unadulterated nonsense, Mr.
No, 1 minute.
Radish Ali, when you say that
when
these are study
really-
tours.
When
Sohail,
that really honest Mr. Yediyurappa was Chief Minister, did they not have study tours? When the BJP, if ever was in power under the honest Mr. Yediyurappa, did they not have these tours? Is hamam mein sab nange hain? The reality is, stop blaming other political parties, accept that a
10 more
colossal
minutes on this
betrayal of
debate.
trust
I'm taking a
has
very
taken
short
place.
break. Sohail, back on a very short break. After a very short break, more questions and many more answers. I hope more honest on the other side. Okay, continuing our debate, day 6, Queenstown sites, and this is part of the study tour. We take you on a tour of Queenstown. We give you time to have a leisurely browse through the shops for a wide range of New Zealand-made merchandise. After that, we have organized for you an exclusive visit to the Gippsland Valley Winery for some exclusive wine tasting. So there will be a wine tasting session that is also organized at taxpayer expense for these shameless MLAs. Yeah, Sohail?
It's very important
Yeah.
because most politicians, I've been told, in any case run hooch and liquor dens. So it'll be a great learning experience as to how to market illicit liquor. But you know what the tragedy, Arnab, is, jokes apart, that we live in a time when a clear lesson has been sent out by people of Delhi that they don't want their netas to be rulers but to be representatives. And no one seems to have learned that lesson. The brazenness and the arrogance remains. They remain in a state of denial. And I don't really know what levels of intellect these people possess for them not to understand the writing which is so clearly on several walls. It's not about which political party. They have all lost their morality to the core.
What is the action that is taken against
Nothing.
people who lie?
Nothing.
No, they are not just. You see, the problem is that they are not just cheats, Ms. Kumaramangalam. With respect, if they call this a study tour,
Yes, then they should.
then they are also liars.
They should justify.
Absolutely.
They're also liars.
This is
you
not
see?
a study tour. I've been saying
And
these
part
things
of
should
this.
be cancelled. It's a joke to call it a study tour. I
No,
don't
it's
know what
not
they
a
call
study.
a study.
They call it a
Except
study
how to
tour.
enjoy themselves. Yes,
What
I
what
agree.
about the money
I mean,
which
it's
has
not
already
a
got
study
spent?
tour at all.
Yeah, exactly.
No, what happens when? What do you do when the money has already got spent?
You know, Arnab, I have
How
a
do you
solution.
get it back?
I have a solution.
How do you say that your mistake which you have committed? How do you say sorry and bring it back and demonstrate to the people
Arnab,
that you mean serious business?
I have a solution.
You have spent money on something which you don't deserve to spend, and then you go ahead to say that I am sorry, I take a position that we have committed a mistake, and then you don't give a solution saying that okay, we have recovered the money from the MLAs because they went for a nice fun tour.
Sir,
And they
with
did
all
not do
due
the study
respect,
tour,
can
so
I
we
just-
bring back that money.
Can I
Arnab,
give you the
I'll
reply
give you a
that I would
solution.
like to in all honesty
Deduct
and with all
the
due
money
respect
spent
to
on
you?
each of the MLAs from their party fund.
You know, I'll tell
Bill each of the
I'll tell
political
you what
parties
you're about to
whose
say.
MLAs are there.
No,
Bill the
you don't know
political
what I'm about
parties.
to say, Arnab.
Make sure
Please
that there
let
is a
me
writ in
say.
the High Court
Otherwise,
I
you
know
don't
what
want
you're
to
going
my
to
being
say.
on this show.
No, Miss Kumaramangalam, it becomes pointless only when you refuse to accept the reality. Now, you know what?
No,
I
but
know
I
what you're
have
going to say.
accepted.
You're
Why
going to
don't
say,
you
let's look for
accept
long
that
term.
I have accepted the reality. What has happened should not have
No,
happened.
you are not. You see,
I had earlier
how does
said,
it matter to me that you've accepted? You're a spokesperson of the BJP. Your party wants to come to power. Your party has ambitions to rule the entire nation. All the small thing we are asking is show us your sincerity.
That's
And
all.
you can't. You know what
Why
you're
don't
about
you
to
say
say. Should I
the
tell you what you're
amount-
about to say, Ms.
Sincerely, why don't you
Kumaramangalam?
accept it?
Should I tell you what you're about to
I'm not
say?
trying to be hypocritical.
You are about
nor
to
am I
say.
lying on national television.
No, you are about to say, I'm not calling you a hypocrite. You are about to say that let's look for long-term systemic solutions.
No, I was about,
Right?
no, that is not what I was about
No?
to say. Let me reply. Without hearing my reply, why do you judge me? Listen, I was about to say that if there is a procedure by which this money can be recovered, then any legislator should explore it and actually recover the money. I don't know enough about the legislative procedures in this case. So I cannot just blindly say this is what you do and this is how you do it. But I feel, as a politician, I'm ashamed that this is happening. And I would sincerely say that if there is a modus operandi by which you can recover this money, then at least to prove a point to people who go on these junkets, recover it. And maybe then in future, people will think twice before going on these junkets.
No, you see,
aside from this, yes,
first of all, Ms. Kumaramangalam, I think you are...
measures.
Ms. Kumaramangalam, while at an individual level, I appreciate the sincerity that you are showing. At a party political level, it amounts to nothing. I'm very sorry. So tell your leaders, call them up in Delhi or wherever they are and tell them how you feel about it, and then maybe they will do
tell BJP to make out a check.
We have a lot of callers. And please tell Mr. Kumaraswamy.
He's not my party leader, but I will tell my party leaders.
No, 1 sec. Mr. Danish Ali of his party is here. Please tell Mr. Kumaraswamy and our former Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda that, they should not be so arrogant to believe that people will not vote on this particular subject.
Absolutely.
Now, I can challenge you today, even JDS committed voters will today, not vote for leaders or for a political party that allows this kind of shameless junketry to go on.
We are not allowing, we have opposed it,
It's going
Mr. Kumaraswamy has asked the state government to stop this tour.
They are on holiday on our expense. Couple of last few callers, 3 minutes on the debate. Our next caller also from Bengaluru is, who's that? It's, yes, Vishwanath from Bengaluru. Yes, Vishwanath, good evening.
See, my question is that this legislative junket on the claim of privilege and study tour, does it not smack public purpose but only serves individual interest?
Oh, absolutely. There's no doubt about it. It's completely and only Mr. Vishwanath individual interest, individual enjoyment, and a great deal of wine tasting and debauchery and enjoying cabaret dances. There is no public purpose that you get out of wine tasting and cabaret dances. It's certainly individual interest. Mr. Vishwanath, thank you very much for your call. We'll take one last caller on the News Hour debate tonight. And by the way, Mr. Danish Ali, you tell them that they'll lose their deposits the next time if they continue to be so arrogant in politics. Your party will lose its deposit if it continues to be so arrogant. Even Sheila Dikshit did not think what happened in Delhi would happen to her.
Why you are blaming my party?
Because your
leader of the opposition has categorically stated, I assure you on this live debate that my leader of the opposition in the assembly, Mr. H.D. Kumaraswamy, is going to take this issue in the assembly, and in the future such type of trips, such type of tours must be banned. It was the responsibility of the state government, state chief minister and the speaker of the Congress party.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you because either your party leader is ineffective, either your party leader is incompetent, either your party leader is insincere, or either your party leader is weak, or your party leader is ineffective, incompetent, weak and insincere. And if he is any of the above, that he cannot even get these 3 shameless MLAs to come back, I think your party leader should quit politics, Mr. Danish Ali. So don't raise your voice with me there. I take a next caller in, but you're laughing at this. This is not laughing matter for me. I'm taking one more caller, please. Mr. Subhash Agarwal is India's preeminent RTI activist. He's been watching the debate and he has something to say. The very respected Subhash Agarwal has been watching the debate. Mr. Agarwal is live with us right now. Yes, Mr. Agarwal.
My 2 questions to BJP representative. Will Mr. Rajnath Singh assure that these 2 BJP MLAs will not be given party tickets in next election? Second, will Mr. Narendra Modi assure if he becomes PM, such types of junkets will not be allowed at least at central level?
Yeah, good point. Mr. Agarwal, stay on the line.
Hello, can I reply?
Yes, Mr. Kumaramangalam?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Sir, Mr. Agarwal, sir, I'm sorry that I cannot answer either in the affirmative or the negative because I have not spoken about this to either Mr. Modi or Rajnath Singh. But what I can assure you is that I will bring it up with them and I will tell them that this is what public opinion is. And since we are aiming to come into power at Delhi, we must take public opinion into account, especially from somebody as respectable and experienced as you have been in a field which is, I mean, extremely difficult to be in. So I will definitely talk to them on this. I'm sorry, but I cannot say yes or no at this moment.
Well, excellent. I think Ms. Kumara Mangalam is being very gracious on that, and I think Mr. Narendra Modi, who often expresses his views on Twitter and elsewhere on important subjects, should also express his view on the shamelessness of this junket culture. Maybe it will force people to rethink if prime ministerial candidates actually come forward and give us their point of view. So I'm going to wrap this up on that positive note. I thank you very much for participating. Those pictures are completely revolting that have come in from the Gold Coast. But one last time I'm going to say this, that Akhilesh, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, if you're watching the News Hour tonight, you have 24 hours to stop a bunch of 8 shameless ministers and several other MLAs. When people are dying and suffering in Muzaffarnagar from going on an all-expenses plate, and I don't believe, Akhilesh, it's a study tour. It's a strategically timed holiday. They are going to Greece. They are going to Turkey. They are not going to study. They are going to have a good time. Stop your politicians from having a good time. Akhilesh, if you cannot stop your politicians and your ministers, and if you are so weak and so cowardly that you cannot even stop Azam Khan from going on that holiday, then the only option, Akhilesh, for you is to take moral responsibility and immediately resign. And Akhilesh, if you think that people can continue to have a good time at taxpayer expense and people will not care, then think again, revise whether you are following the kind of politics that you promised you would when you became Chief Minister. So that question goes to Akhilesh, in case he's not watching, someone from the Samajwadi Party. And that empty chair that I have there continues to be empty. Mr. Akhilesh, I would like you, Akhilesh Yadav, to be on that chair tomorrow and answer my questions. Thank you very much for joining me on the News Hour tonight. I'm wrapping up the show at this point, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Good night and goodbye.